Hello to all my travelers. This is Quick Tip of the Week. For those of you who are new here, Quick Tip of the Week is where I take 2 minutes every week, posted on Wednesday, to tell you about a trick or a tip that I've learned along the way. If you're like me, you like saving space, so this trick is for you. Today I'm going to show you guys a trick about how to fold your lightweight jackets so that it only takes up about this much space. Make them more compact than just trying to fold them or stuff them into your bag. The easiest layer to do this on is your rain jackets because they're so thin. So I'm going to show you how to do this on my rain jacket. So dig into those closets and get out those layers. So the first thing you want to do is just lay it out on a flat surface. Take your hood and kind of draw imaginary lines down the jacket that's in line with the hood. Then you're going to take each sleeve the other one. Alright, and then from here, all you gotta do, roll and stuff. Alright guys, so that's how I carry all of my lightweight layers. The best way to utilize this is with layers that have a hood on them. Let me know in the comments below if you like this, if you hate it, if you do this, if you do a different variation of this. I'd love to hear from you guys. And as always, may curiosity forever be your guide. I'll see you next week.